This majestic place offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, providing a serene environment to recharge. Its allure makes it an irresistible destination for anyone seeking tranquility and rejuvenation. These peaceful destinations provide not only a respite from the daily grind but also an opportunity to recharge both mentally and physically. By prioritizing these escapes, individuals can cultivate a deeper connection with nature, promoting a sense of well-being that is often lost amidst skyscrapers and noise. Eventually, embracing these moments of solitude allows people to return to their lives with renewed energy and perspective, highlighting the profound impact that a little time away from the chaos can have on our overall happiness. Experiencing life in the midst of the mountain, compared to the noisy city, there is no beauty and happiness that can be matched. The chirping of birds, melodious cricket sounds, the scent of the wind, and the gentle flow of the spring water are like pleasant music for a weary heart. Such tranquility nurtures the soul, encouraging a deep appreciation for the simple yet profound joys that the mountains provide.